In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date format in Windows 11. The simplest way is to right-click on the date and time area on the right side of the taskbar, then select Adjust Date and Time. This opens up the date and time settings. Look down towards the bottom. You'll see an option called Change the Date and Time Format. Go ahead and click on that. From here, you can change the short date using the available presets. You can do the same for long date, short time, and long time formats. Now, if these options don't quite hit the mark for you, here's another way. Press the Windows key, search for Control Panel, and open it up. Next, look for Clock and Region, and then click on Region. Under the Formats tab, you can select a specific country. Since every region has its own standards, choosing something like Vietnam will automatically adjust the short date and long date formats to match that local style. And that's it. 2 quick ways to tweak your date settings in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button.